Hello, everybody. Welcome back. It's Creative Redundancy, the one known as CR. So I showed the Canadian Red Cross kit as is that I acquired for free from a friend. A 72-hour type of kit. But what I didn't show in great detail is the Canadian Red Cross first aid kit that was in that bag. 12.5 by 12.5 by 5 centimeters. 5 by 5 by 2 inches. Alright, let's open this up and take a look. Oh, okay. Medical tape. Looks like some gauze. Conforming gauze bandage. These must be the gloves. Premium quality. Powder-free nitride examination gloves. 1 pair. Plastic tweezers. Look at the scissors. They're actually metal. I'm actually surprised. I was expecting to see, like, some, wow, non-full 10 plastic handle scissors. Let's see. Oh, wow, they're actually, I wouldn't say they're sharp, but they got an edge on them. Yeah, they do have an edge on them, so these aren't so too bad. 12 safety pins. Insect relief, so mosquito bite along the lines of that. These must be the chloride wipes right here. There's one right here. So those prep pads, more afterbite insect relief. These must be the antiseptic alcohol pads right here. And some of these are technically expired, by the way, so I have to double check them. Sterile gauze pads, bandages. Some more right here, bandages, more bandages. This is the first aid card where you would put hospital number, contact information, and such. It's very basic, not as good as I would like, but it still has some information in this. Let me know down in the comments section if you want me to enhance this, modify this, upgrade this. I'll do what I can with what I have. I mean, I don't mind this. I mean, honestly, this is, kind of like a boo-boo kid, so to speak, right? So I appreciate everyone dropping by on this video and hit me on a big thumbs up if you haven't already. And remember, people, go try, learn, get some training if you can, and learn more about stuff like first aid. Because in a time of need, when you need it the most, you're gonna be your best first responder. You got this. And you could be that person helping someone else out until, the quote-unquote professionals show up, right? Or someone more experienced or more knowledge can help you out and such, right? And like always, as our world changes, we can adapt too. Our skill and knowledge can get better with practice. Can't help everyone out there, but one person can help someone out there. All right, everyone, take care. Peace out from the one known as CR.